A warm welcome to the Imagination Gallery. Thank you for being a part of this artistic journey. I'm absolutely delighted to have each and every one of you here today.
Oh no! Have you ever felt a moment slip away? Like the wind carrying pieces with it? This is that moment. A woman standing against the sky, her heart full of stories she will never tell, and dreams she's not ready to let go of. This is her story. A woman standing against the endless sky, her spirit as untamed as the wind itself. Hi everyone, welcome back to Imagination Gallery. If you love stories that make you feel, stories of strength, beauty and freedom, you're in the right place. Today's journey is about more than what you see. It's about what you feel. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and stay till the end for something truly special. Look at her standing there, the wind playing with her hair and sari. But there's more than beauty here. There's a story of courage. Maybe she's waiting for someone. Maybe she's leaving something behind. Or maybe she's just embracing this moment of quiet rebellion against everything holding her back. The sky stretches endlessly behind her. Isn't it like life? Full of storm, calm, hopes, fears, and yet she stands firm, rooted yet free. The colors of her sari dance with the wind, just like dream we let fly. The wind becomes a partner, not something to fight, but something that lifts her up. And maybe you have felt that too. That moment where life slows down and you feel the way of everything you are and everything you want to become. A woman who's fought battles you will never see, who's carried dreams no one else believed in. The wind doesn't just move her hair, it whispers stories of love, loss and hope. That colorful sari flowing behind her, it's not just a fabric, it's her spirit, vibrant and unapologetic. As I bring this her to life, think of the times you have stood on your own wind. When you let go, embrace the unknown, and become who you were meant to be. Let's honor that feeling today. Friends, every gust of wind in this painting feels like a prayer, a call to embrace our true selves, to let go fear and to stand in our own power.